Bring the hob and blanket into the installation area and rest them on the counter. Unpack the hob by guiding a knife along the corners of the packaging, taking care not to damage the product. Remove the packaging from the hob and place the burner and pan supports onto the blanket. Put the polystyrene to one side to use later as a base for the gas hob. Pick up the gas hob and place it upside down onto the polystyrene supports. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Mount the knee to the gas pipe using a wrench. Attach the sealant tape carefully onto the edges of the hob. Insert the hob into the worktop cutout, making sure the electrical cord goes through the hole. Replace the burners and pan supports onto the hob. Put away the packaging, leaving a tidy area. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.